What is going on, guys? Welcome again to my channel, Bachelor PH. And if bago ka lang napadpad sa channel ko, my name is Hill and I make videos about real estate and investments, travel vlogs, moto vlogs, and lifestyle videos. So if any of those contents may you find interesting, please consider subscribing. And today, nadagdagan na naman ang ating utang. So guys, na-turn over na nga ang aking second condominium investment. And in this video, sasamahan niyo ko at ating silipin ang condominium unit na to. Let's go!
1, 2, 3, come on!
What is going on, guys? Welcome again. And sa nakikita nyo, nandito tayo ngayon sa aking second condominium investment. And which ang magiging task natin is to transform this unit. So from this, magiging livable condo unit. So abangan nyo ang magiging transformation. And shoutout nga pala kay Miss Fatima Valdez Cedo. Thank you so much for supporting my channel and my videos. And if gusto mo rin magpa-shoutout sa ating next videos, you can comment down below. So, ayun na nga guys, after checking the condominium unit, meron tayong mga nakitang mga kailangan ayusin, mga kailangan i-improve. So, sa kanya medyo matagal-tagal pa bago natin talagang ma-transform ang condo unit na to. If you're excited already na makita ang magiging transformation ng condo unit na to, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell para updated ka kagad pag lumabas na ang ating video for the transformation of the condo unit. And if nagustuhan mo ang ating quick silip sa aking second condominium unit, hit like, pwede ka rin mag-comment, and pwede ba rin siyang i-share. So, thank you again for watching this video. My name is Hill, and I will be seeing you on the next one.